How to find story archives on Facebook. It's really quick and easy, so let's get right into it. First, you want to go to the menu section on your Facebook. So once you're here, tap on settings and privacy and open settings. From here, what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you find your activity log. So under your activity, tap on it. And from here, you can already access your archive from here, but to find the story section, you want to tap on this drop down to find your activity, Facebook activity, and just scroll all the way down until you find stories. Tap on manage storage, and here you will see all of your posted stories. So tap on archives, and if you have any archives, all of it will be shown right here. And that's how you access your story archives on Facebook. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.